See, you know, I knew I should have made a left turn at Albuquerque. Don't look much like Los Angeles to me. I knew I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque. Well, here I am. Hey, just a cotton-picking minute. This don't look like the Coachella Valley to me. I knew I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque. Let's see now, South Pole? Oh, I get it. I should have turned left at Albuquerque. Well, here we are, Pismo Beach, and all the claims we can eat.
What a way for a duck to travel. Underground. Hey, wait a minute. Since when is Pismo Beach inside a cave?
I wonder, you know, I just bet we should have turned left at Albuquerque, and then maybe a right turn at La Jolla.